And ever since I've been hooked on Kawasaki, bro, nothing but. Ready?
How you doing? Yeah.
Good. All right, looks good, man. I was waiting for this H2 right here. Woo! Look at that. Hell yeah.
Hopefully we don't hit too much traffic.
Yeah, I know.
Woo. Sorry, go ahead. I see the traffic down there. I was hoping for a little bit more open freeways. Come on, dude, don't switch lanes like that. Another ride on the H2. More traffic. I feel like before COVID, there used to be rush hour times. And now there's just traffic whenever. I always say that I hate riding the H2 in traffic, but every single time there is traffic when I'm on the H2. Backhanded. Please keep it going like this. I want to stop and split lanes super slow again. in BMW. Do I open the visor and have shit go in my eye all the time? Or do I close it and slowly roast in my helmet? Long time no see. I've been back, boy. Woo. Bro, it's so hot.
Yeah, I know.
I'm burning up. That's Lucas, I think that's his name.
Oh, Brock, there you go. Brock's Performance, yeah.
Yup. I know, I'm slowly losing my hearing. Thank you, man.
Holy shit. Man, I thought I was cool with my fucking ZX10 in there.
I like that bike. That used to be my dream bike, but then...
This one came out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, once I'm done with that one, I'm for sure hopping on this one. Hopefully they still make it, too.
Yeah, this is a 2015 model.
Oh, no way?
Yeah.
Holy shit. And I was like, oh my god. Dude. And ever since I've been hooked on Kawasaki, bro, nothing but.
Yeah, I like a variety. I have an R1M2.
On R1M?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Damn, bro, you go for like the fucking baddest of bad, huh?
Those are my 3 favorites.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, which one's the fastest? This one for sure?
By a lot. By a lot. Gotcha. Putting on the dyno. Yeah. I might tune it. I'm not sure yet. I just want to run it, and I might tune it because I had a full Acro exhaust system when I had it unlocked.
Yeah.
So now I have the full box and I have a different air filter, so I kind of want to, you know, we'll see.
They just put a full Acro on mine.
Nice.
Yeah, it doesn't want to be this, though. Because they put the...
Yeah. I don't know if I like that. I was a fan of the ZX10 until, I don't know.
Yeah.
I was unsure about that, to be honest.
So, have you ever rode a ZX10?
Yeah. Yeah.
Between the ZX10 and this one, what do you think will take this?
Power or just overall?
Power, like
Power is the X10.
for real?
Yeah. This one just feels more nimble, lighter, stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've never been on R1. The newer ones.
Yeah, I like that mid-power range. You definitely feel it because of the cross-plane engine.
Oh.
Yeah, I just like it because it sounds unique.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna take out my helmet. I'm burning up.
Yeah. Have you gone to